Akasham. Akasham. Ifeanyi Ubah ndo. More can go be weekend ndo kwa ino ya. More can go be fine was weekend ndo kwa. Did you hear that? Ifeanyi Ubah ndo. Akasham, my last day as a Christian. My last day as Christian is today. Ifeanyi Ubah ndo. Kada Nnewi na do. No kwa kazo do ku le ku. Ifeanyi Ubah ndo. Akasham. Just go with fast. Don't even get close to me. Don't move by Ifeanyi Ubah ndo. Akasham. Last day as a Christian. Oh,